Okay, let's do this again. I'm having technical difficulties. Hold on. Oh, okay. Here we go. Here we go. All right. You guys can see my account is way higher than the last time I left. It's because, like I put in the title, I had modified my strategy. Is basically the same. I just changed the expiry time from 10 minutes. I lowered it out to 7 candles. The thing is the same. I'm just gonna draw triangles on my own. Give me a second. This is not the right one. Hold on. Hold on. Give me 5 minutes. Okay. I'm almost done. Having technical difficulties here. Give me a second. Difficulties. Almost done. I'm almost done. I'm confident it will. All right. All right. I Think we're set to go. I think we are. Okay, pocket option. Take out this. All right. Okay, here we go. I think you guys may be asking why is my account higher? That's because I had to adjust my strategy. The basics are the same, triangles and wedges. But as the guys that know that have been with me for time already know that wedges are my enemy, my nemesis. I always lose against the wedge. Not with the modifications I did. After my third loss in a row, I had to do some brainstorming to do what I can do to modify. Well, to get my win rate up with my strategy. So I had to stop using AI. I had to add zigzag and draw the triangle with the zigzag. And instead of 10 candles, I modified it to 7 candles. After my third loss, I'm gonna put you guys my whole sessions and my winning. And I've been winning. Here's my story. Nothing but wins, only one or two losses. With that being said, here's my past sessions from Monday. All right, the account was way down to 100. So by using the zigzag, I was able to draw triangles and wedges. Now the thing with wedges is that your entry point is a breakout. And before I was doing that, but I did not have MACD. Now today I added MACD plus the breakout, watch the volumes, watch the trend. In general, watch the whole context of the market. This, for example, is a symmetrical triangle. Either you take a breakout going up or take a breakout going down. I took the breakout going down, even though the volumes are up, but it's a downtrend. And you can see it in the MACD. It's going down, 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 down with a lot of pressure. I put two trades in this session, and both gave me the entry point. And I had to take them fast, or else I was going to lose both of my opportunities. 10 seconds. That's a win on the breakout. Now I know this is crazy, and some people have told me why I'm using a forex strategy on binary options. It's not gonna work. Well, I'm kind of proving them wrong. In the first challenge, this is a strategy that I use. The only challenge that I've been able to complete my first 100 days. The thing is, you are able to modify a forex strategy to binary options. You just have to modify some things, like an expiration time. If you expect 7 candles to go up, go seven candles according to the strategy. Right now, you guys are seeing an ascending triangle in an uptrend. Ascending triangle, it's either a continuation or a reversal. But the reversal only has a 30% chance of reversing. Plus, I added MACD, and MACD is telling me that the price can still go up. Even though the volumes are going down, the price can go up. Plus, I put my trade in a support point. That's why I almost put both trades at the same time. And I did a compounding trade, one compound, only one compound by 1.5 times. Yeah, it's only one compounding trade by 1.5 instead of 2.4. That makes it less risky, way less risky. The trade is going good. It is a strong option. Volumes are up. Moving averages and MACD are up. Nothing can go wrong. Well, it can go wrong, but it didn't. This is gonna be kind of a long video. I'm gonna show every single trade that I did in the week. I wasn't able to stream Table because I was getting home late, really late, and when I was doing trading, it was like at 9 in at night, and I do have to be up by 4 in the morning. So those are my losses that I told you guys about. It's a red day. It was my third red day, and the account was down until till $100. So I did my trades and like at 9 p.m. I did them all in OTC. My strategy works for OTC as well as real markets. Even though it's only 1 minute, this is a for sure win. A strong breakout, strong trend, volumes are up. The moving averages from MACD are up. It's an uptrend. And it's an ascending triangle, a continuation from the for the trend. 30 seconds. Even though the is going down, it's a healthy trend. Win. Next, we have another situation. My nemesis, the wedge. Wedgie is a descending wedge. Everybody that knows wedges, a descending wedge is a signal of going up, or yeah, it's just a signal going up. You just need to know when to take the entry, and that's on the breakout. Now, before, as soon as I saw a breakout, I used to put 10 candles or 10 minutes in 1 minute candle, but I lowered the expiry time to 7 candles or 7 minutes in 1 minute candle, and it worked like the charm. This market, maybe OTC or maybe real market, it's changing. It's constantly changing, and as soon as you do three straight losses or two losses straight, especially daily, there's it's time to modify the strategy. The basic may be the same, but just a little tweak here and there. Maybe either 2 more minutes, 3 less minutes expiry time. Everything works. You just need to study the market a little bit in demo and modify accordingly. to the market. Then you start winning again. 10 seconds. This is for sure win. Even though it's a short trend, it's a healthy trend. There you go. Next, right here we have a sort of a ascending triangle or ascending wedge. Even though it's not that much, it's an ascending wedge. You guys can see it in the bottom trend, at the bottom line that I have there in the triangle. An ascending wedge is a bearish signal. It's a signal that the market is about to go down. The problem is where to put your entry. The answer is simple, at the breakout. Now you're not gonna put it for 1 minute, 2 minutes. You gotta put it at least for 7 candles to 10 candles. That way, if the market retests the line or the support and resistance line, it has enough time to keep going down there or to keep going to the trend, even if it has a little consolidation. And in the previous candle from this trade, you guys can see it retested. There's a round number right there, and it retested the number, and the round number just slap it down, keeping the downtrend healthy, keeping it going. Win. Now my next trade, I put it at the same time, but that was my fault. I knew it was a downtrend. I saw the moving average in the MACD up. The problem is that I didn't put attention to the volumes. The volumes of MACD were going down, and they were selling quick. So there was a for sure lose. And by then, I noticed that it was a for sure loss. So I immediately started drawing another triangle, making my next move. Right here, all you gotta do is put the zigzag and join 2 points in the zigzag, two extreme points with a trend line, and you have it. And just look for the triangle. All right, and bye-bye. You have a wedge. Now I'm getting ready to put a martingale. You can call that by 1.5 times, not by 2.4 times. I think this is way less risky if you are sure of your trade, that is. If not, might as well not put it. This is a loss. I immediately knew as soon as the price went down. So instead of focusing on the other one, I'm looking for my next move. It's an uptrend on a symmetrical triangle. That means that the price is gonna go up. I'm just gonna wait for my entry point. That's all I need to do. Wait for the entry point. Not going up. I mean, not going down, but going up. Moving averages from MACD are going up. The volumes are going up as well, even though they're a little bit stuck. But I'm expecting an upper move. I'll need to wait. Waiting, waiting, still waiting. Hello. While we're waiting, hmm, just wait for a breakout. It is a symmetrical triangle. You can go either way, up or down. That's the only disadvantage of the symmetrical triangle. But you still need to wait for the breakout. It's absolutely necessary. Wait for the breakout and pay attention to MACD. Just keep the context in general. Just be mindful of the strong trend, maybe either uptrend or downtrend. We have a breakout going down. So I put my trade. Since it's a breakout, MACD is signaling the beginning of a downtrend. And I don't have the triangle pattern to worry about since it's a symmetrical triangle. We have a breakout going down. That means the price will keep going down. And I put two more trades. I went a little bit high, but I was confident this was a win because everything, all the signals fell into place. Downtrend, well, more like beginning of the downtrend. Symmetrical triangle, breakout, MACD, moving averages for MACD. Everything fall into place. Now you guys may see a little bit of a retracement, but when that happens, you need to keep focus. Uh, you need to trust in your strategy and trust in your analysis, and you get your win. Like Eric said, from Music City Trader, no revenge trading, keep a cool head, and follow your strategy. That's all you need to know. Whether you follow a retracement strategy, a forest strategy like I do, or you follow Eric's trading strategy, it takes a lot of practice. You just need to practice, that's all, and have confidence. Have a lot of confidence. Now you guys may be saying, Alex, that's a big candle. You're gonna lose. It's a big green candle. Yeah, it is a big green candle, but the breakout was on the downside, on the symmetrical triangle. That's why I kept my trade. And it was a reversal of the down of an uptrend. You guys see inside the symmetrical triangle we have a triple top. That's a big signal going down. Pattern wise that is. That's a signal that the price or the market is getting ready to keep going down. Plus the symmetrical triangle is not a factor here. And it went down just as expected. That's why you gotta put enough time to let the price breathe. After you trade, you gotta let it breathe. Retracements are normal. Consolidations are normal. Have just let it breathe. I've noticed that triangle patterns and wedges are slow moving patterns, but they stay true to the trend. The ones that get caught in fake breakouts are us, especially me. But I think I'm gonna do well now that I have MACD tool at my disposal and that I know how to use it. If you combine it with the triangle or wedges strategy, it's gonna go good. Now again, I went big to do a makeup for my loss, and I went big because I like the high quality of the setup right here, and it paid off. Well, at least it's paying off. Everything is going according to plan. Everything going good. The price is still trying to go up, but it's not going to. Thanks to the setup. 1 minute in the trade. I know I'm losing, but I'm sure it's gonna be a win. Everything is going smoothly. Win. Now we have another situation right here. An ascending wedge. That's a bearish signal. Strong bearish signal. Plus, it's in a downtrend. That's another signal going down. MACD is down, volumes are down. So all I had to do is wait for the breakout. And the result is a beautiful, beautiful falling of the price. Ascending wedge is a bearish signal again. Only thing I needed to do is wait for the breakout, took my trade, and everything went good. More than good. And those were my trades for this week actually. After my third loss for 3 days, I went at it again. Made a little tweak in my strategy and got my win. Now, right now in my account, I'm 2 days ahead. So tomorrow I will stream day 19, and the day after I'll stream day 20. I'm 2 days ahead. No worries. It's retracing, but I'll get my win. And that's it. Those are my trades for the week. Like I said before, I'm 2 days ahead. As you guys can see, it has been going really good with the tweaks that I made to my strategy. I've been getting nothing but wins, only one loss. But and I'm doing two compounding trades per day at 1.5 rate, 1.5 instead of 2.4. I find it less risky, and it's going really good. Okay, I hope you guys have a great Sunday. Love your family. Give them a hug. See you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is the beginning of a day week again. Ugh. Oh well, it is Monday.